Good morning, everybody. In this video, I would like to try discuss about the existence of animals' homosexuality. It is really interesting because usually we found homosexual behavior on human, not on animal. But today we talk about the existence of animal homosexuality. We all know that many humans are homosexual. It's well known that we also know the behavior is extremely common across the animal kingdom, from insects to mammal. So before we get really deep into this topic, what is homosexual? I mean, we all have different opinion about this, or maybe the same opinion. But for me, homosexual is sexual attraction or sexual behavior between members of the same gender, like females with females or males with males. And the question is right now is, could it be happen on animals? Homosexual behavior? We're trying to find out. Information that I will tell you in this video is based on what I read on the internet, on the website like BBC, National Geographic, all the websites that related to animals. So I'm sorry if this is not, I don't know, just correct me if I'm wrong. Based on research that I did on the internet to find about the existence of homosexuality, there is a study from Dr. Nathan Bailey from University of California, published in Trans and Ecology and Evolution, confirmed that the example of sexual behavior between same-sex individuals could be found in all species in animal kingdom. It's really interesting because it can be found in all species, from insects to mammals. This behavior were different for each species, but in most cases they are advantageous. So they're doing it purposely. They're doing it for a purpose. They're not just do it without the purpose. So they do like homosexual behavior because they're trying to reach something, either for their self or for their group, or want to join a dominant group, but they do it for advantageous thing. In dolphins, male dolphins use sex to bond with other male dolphins so they can form an alliances. Homosexual behavior on animal is not unnatural. This is natural. They are happen for a reason, and I think, in my point of view, why homosexual behavior happen on animal, because first, it cements social bonds. According to Franz de Waal, there's an animal called bonobos. It looks like an ape or chimpanzee. So female bonobos rubbing their genital together. It's really weird, but it's really happening. They are rubbing their genital. They use sex to bond so they can join to a dominant group. Bonobos use hugs and sex to communicate between each other, interact between each other, to join the dominant group. So it's a usual thing in bonobos' life or daily cycle. Why homosexual behavior happen? Because evolutionary mechanism. In insects, it is happen on fruit flies. Why? Because of their inability to differentiate between sexes. The question, can animal be homosexual? Can animal be homosexuality? Could it be happen on animal? The answer is yes. Like what I explained before, it is happening in some species, and there is a proof. So yes, the answer is yes. But we may never find a wild animal that is strictly homosexual in the way some humans are, but we can expect to find more animals that don't conform to traditional categories of sexual orientation. And animals use sex to satisfy all sort of needs, from simple pleasure to social advancement. But that's all for this video. That's what I'm trying to talk and discuss in this video with the topic the existence of animals homosexuality. And I hope by this video you know what I'm trying to say, what I'm trying to deliver, and that I believe that homosexuality is happening on animal. And so yeah, see you in the next video, see you in the next talk, and good morning.